We will be replacing the brake lights on this 2019 Honda Civic with brand new LED bulbs from Ayla Lighting. The bulbs are located here inside the taillight assembly. To replace them, we will need to remove the assembly. It is held in by 2 screws and 2 locking knobs. First, remove the 2 screws. Next, while standing on this side of the assembly, you will pull it out towards you. Slide your fingers into the gap between the assembly and the vehicle in order to pop the locking tabs out of their sockets. Here is the socket for the brake light bulbs. To remove, turn counterclockwise to loosen. Now you can pull the bulb out. Unplug the halogen bulb and replace with your new LED bulb from Ayla Lighting. It easily plugs straight in. To install, line up the wider tab on the bulb to the wider notch in the socket. Turn clockwise to lock in place. Now to reattach the assembly. First, line up the locking knobs to their slots. Push the assembly in until they lock. And the assembly is flush to the vehicle. Replace the 2 screws you removed earlier. And make sure to tighten them down. Repeat these steps on the other side of your vehicle. Remove the taillight assembly. Take out the halogen bulb and replace with your new LED bulb. Turn clockwise to lock. Replace the assembly. Make sure all the wires are tucked in out of the way. Here is the Honda Civic with new LED brake lights. Check out the strobe feature.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.